Meaning of Edna Everage.
Edna Everage.
Edna Everage.
Edna Everage.
Edna Everage. Edna Everage is a character created and portrayed by Australian comedian Barry Humphries. Edna is known for her distinctive appearance, florid speech, and satirical commentary on society and culture. The character of Edna is a middle-aged, suburban housewife who considers herself a globally renowned megastar and self-proclaimed gigaster. Edna often wears extravagant gowns and elaborate wigs, and frequently refers to herself in the third person. She has become an iconic figure in Australian popular culture and has been featured in numerous television shows, films, and stage productions.